Hello and welcome back to another site tour of our new build homes built out of structurally insulated panels provided by Kingspan, their TEK system. Here on the front driveway, as you can see the skip there, tucked away in the corner out of the way. Plenty of rubbish as you'd expect. There we've got some materials and acro props and ladders being stored to one side. Down the side path here, which you can see there was a concrete retaining wall there. And there you can see where one section of the steel mesh inside the wall we cut out because it wasn't going to be perfectly straight from the rest of the walls. You can see we've put some white plastic pipe in there to act as weep holes for proper drainage. I mean, this wall is possibly a little bit overkill, but it's better to do too much than too little and have the homeowner encountering all issues in the future. Behind the wall there was some Claymaster, the white polystyrene, and the black DPM. There's an old wall which we've underpinned. There's a Glen. So these will be the patios. They're big retaining walls made out of massive concrete blocks filled with concrete and also lots of rebar in those. All the retaining walls, the concrete and the block ones, will be rendered in white, the same as the lower parts of the house, which currently just have the breather membrane on. These two opening here are where the stairs are going to be up into the gardens. So we'll go down these now and have a look what Simon and Ollie are up to. See a bit more DPM there protecting the wall. And as we turn the corner, you can see the polystyrene Claymaster, and also in the corner there where the bricks are, there was some weed suppressant full of pea shingle to act as a drainage layer. So these walls have been very carefully built and thought out so they'll never have any issues. Back onto the patios here. See that bit of temporary downpipe there, just to make sure that the rainwater goes where we want it to. Where that grass bank is on the side, there'll be another series of concrete retaining walls along there, so that there's no issues ever with that driveway up the side to the neighbour's house. When we come round the side, you can see the meter cabinets are on the wall there. That was a bit of a misunderstanding with the utilities provider, and they're actually being moved because you can't have them on the walls in timber houses in case there's a fault. It would set the house on fire, so they're going to be moved onto the concrete retaining wall. Someone's left the mixer on there, that's always nice. Back into the driveway, on the floor there, you can see where the drainage is going to be running out to the manholes on the driveway for all the wastewater from in the houses. Those openings there you can see we've wired for downlights, and they'll have some render board on and be rendered. Into the entrance hall, which is got a scaffold tower for stairs. The plasterboarding's going on nicely, but not in this room. This will be the last one to be done due to the saw pipes. Back into the hallway, so we've got lots of plasterboard on the party walls, that's as fire and sound barriers. Into the kitchen diner, all first fix plumbed and wired. In the corner there you can see where the boiler and the electrical boards are going to be housed in some of the big kitchen cupboards. That's where all the units will be going. Nice big space. Ian's boarding out, it's very neat and tidy. And we pan round into the lounge living areas with the nice French doors and lots of windows. We've wired there for the TV to go on the wall, and we've also wired for it to go on another wall in this room so the future homeowners aren't confined with how they configure their living spaces. And then we go back through into the entrance hall, and then we'll make our way upstairs. So here we are upstairs. We'll go into the smallest bedroom first, which is still a double bedroom, or you could have a single bed in here for a child, or you could have it as a home office. This house does have a huge garden building, also with a kitchenette and shower room, which I'll show you at some stage. Into this big back bedroom, all plastered out nicely. All the bedrooms are wired for TVs to go in them, and plenty of space in each bedroom for wardrobes. We'll be building some fitted wardrobes in some of the bedrooms. Here you can see our triple glazed alu-clad, extremely thermally efficient windows, but they are extremely heavy and hard to fit. That's where the wardrobes will go on that wall there, back to back with the wardrobes in the front bedroom to act as an extra sound barrier. Back into the hallway. You can see down there that little opening. We've got lots of low lighting in the hallway and on the staircases. There is the MVHR unit from Ventaxia, which recirculates all the warm air in the house and takes all the moisture out. Because these are so airtight and thermally efficient, it's difficult for moisture to escape, so we've got vents in every room which take the moisture out of the house to prevent any damp or condensation inside. There's Ian stacking his Festool containers. See this bedroom, it's got nice big double doors with a Juliet balcony overlooking the road, and you can see the train track in the distance, which is nice. Back into the hallway, Ian's doing a bit of work on the staircase. We did have somebody else come in and fit the staircase, but we weren't happy with it, so we've made some tweaks to get it to our standards. This is the family bathroom. See, it's all wired and some of the plumbing's done at this point. See the eye joist there. So there'll be a bath in this room, a nice vanity unit, heated towel rail and basin. Of course, it'll be plumbed for a shower in the bath, which will be an Aqualeser shower. Up the stairs, you can see another low light there on the left. So it should be nice ambient lighting in this house. Head upstairs to what I think is the best part of the house, the master suite. At the top of the stairs, we've got a great big storage cupboard there, which is making use of what would have been wasted space. We turn into the master bedroom. See the toilet there, it won't be there when we're done. Huge windows with a great view over the garden. On this wall here we've wired for bedside sockets and the bed to go on that wall, so that when you are laying in bed you can watch TV, which we've wired for on that wall there. And you've got nice views out. You can see the neighbour's swimming pool in the back of their garden there, indoor pool. Our garden's looking not much like a garden at the moment, but I'm sure it will do when we're finished. You see the triple glazing there again. The nice big outbuilding. We pan around, the dressing room on the left and the ensuite on the right. We'll slip on into the ensuite first. Nice big Velux window in here, which you can see some cables for lights that will be there. There's a big shower going in, an Aqualeser shower, and we've put the drainage under the floorboard so that you haven't got to step into the shower. There's a nice niche there too. There's a small storage shelf here, boxing in for the plumbing. The toilet's going to go where those sight lights are, and the vanity unit here. In the eave storage we've got the hot water tank, custom made to go with underfloor heating. And there you can see the Aqualeser processes for the electric Aqualeser showers, which are expensive but they are very good. And some wiring here for the towel rail and other bits and bobs. Then we come round here to the last little bit, which is another small storage cupboard, which I'm sure will come in handy. And then we've got the walk-in wardrobe or dressing room with a little doorway into the eave storage. So we'll be building in some wardrobes here for the homeowner. And then here you've got all the digital tech centre, as well as access for more storage and also any work that needs to be done on the hot water tank in the future. So this master suite will be really nice, really big space with lots of natural light. You can see good views outside. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again for another one soon.